Hello. Today is Tuesday, February 6th. It is 9:22 in the evening right now. This is Rosara's Investments. My name is Ara, and I made this channel for my daughter, Rosara, and for all the new parents and new investors in the world. And sometimes I talk about more complicated issues like options and a variety of stuff. So this morning I made a somewhat very depressing video about how I lost a lot of money. And the majority of my losses were due to options that I bought previously over the last few months becoming worthless. And some of the options that I currently own have went down in value. So technically, I probably did not lose $50,000. So I wanted to make a more upbeat video clarifying a couple of things. So one, you guys don't think I'm going to hang myself. And two, because someone made a comment on that first video saying that something along the lines of, I said something like, and I manage a few accounts for my family and friends. And he said something along the lines of, that is how to ruin relationships. That's, by managing their accounts. So to give you guys some context, one thing that I am proud of in my life is that I have managed many stock accounts for many people in my lifetime. Usually friends and family, well, always friends and family. I've never managed a stranger's account. And for my friends, I've kind of given them guidance. One of my friends, she had about $30,000 in a savings account. She was somewhat literate financially, so I was very surprised that she was not investing in stocks. I got her to invest in 10 different stocks. We talked about it every day, and it was something that was fun to do. And we put $3,000 into each of 10 different stocks, so she had the whole $30,000 invested. And since that day, she has done very, very well. She knew the risks of the stock market, and she was definitely willing to hold stocks through a down month or a down year. So since that point, she has built her portfolio up to well over $100,000. So I'm very proud of her, and I'm very happy that she took my advice. She was not a stranger. We had many conversations about this. And one other person that I'm very proud that I opened up their account, again, is my daughter. And she is never going to learn the word sell. So we bought $1,000 of each of 14 stocks. And to this day, she still owns every single share that she ever bought in her whole life. So she's doing very well. She's up she's up much less after the last 2 days. But she is up and she's doing well. She's collecting dividends. You look at the transaction history in her account and she's collecting dividends. I have made accounts for my ex-girlfriend, multiple ex-girlfriends of mine. And one of them is, they're all up. Everyone's up. And so I just wanted to kind of touch on that by buying stocks and by managing accounts, there's no way to ruin relationships. The way to lose money is to buy stocks and then to sell them. And I never tell anyone to do that. Now, everyone has to make their own decisions while investing. I'm not an advisor or anything, but that should be common sense. If you buy something and you sell it at a lower price, that's how to lose money. If you have a very, very long-term mindset and you own stuff for 20 years, like I always say in most of my videos, then how can you lose money? If you buy something at one price and over those years they're giving you dividends, you're just not going to lose money. Over 20 years. Like, look at any 20-year chart of any stock, and most of them are up, unless you're an idiot and you buy like marijuana stocks or you buy very new small market cap stocks that are less than $1 billion. But the majority of stocks that you could have bought in your lifetime, as long as you bought reasonable stocks, buy Coca-Cola, buy McDonald's, buy let's say you bought GoPro and you're down on that one. The other stocks that you bought are so far up. Let's say you bought CVS at $100 and now it's $80. Well, if you stretch it out and look at the 20-year chart of CVS, well, if you bought it 20 years ago, you probably bought it for $4 or something ridiculously low like that, and you're up 20 times in your money. I don't know, I'm just picking numbers out of the air, but anytime you look at a 20-year stock chart, they've all done very well. And if you invest in stocks that have dividends. So, the advice that I give to people is not to buy options like I do. I have my account that is a little under $100,000 total, and that's the account that I trade options in. Some stocks, I do own some stocks. I did buy $22,000 of Baidu a day or two ago. and it seems like a month ago the way this market is going. But generally, I don't recommend to my friends and family to buy options. I have one friend that I buy options with, and he is very financially savvy and he's very financially capable of understanding the risks. But all my family, they pretty much, in general, just buy ETFs or buy stocks, and they just hold them for a long, long time. And so many people that I've helped them to buy stocks, they buy shares of Disney when they're $33, and now Disney's $108 or whatever it is today. And, so they've made 200% returns. And on top of that, that doesn't even include all the dividends. You don't even notice the dividends. The dividends are just money dripping into your account. It's just like the opposite of the rake in the casino. It's just money that comes into your account. It's amazing. Like, companies just give you money. They just give you money. It's amazing. So I wanted to touch on that, first of all, I'm proud that I have built myself up to the position in life where I can take a 5-digit loss and still survive. I went to my web development class tonight. I'm taking classes for software engineering. And, I can show up in a happy mood and be a positive person and be social. And, I'm very happy that I put myself in a position in life where I can take a $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 loss and still come out okay. So first of all, there's that I wanted to talk about. And this is not the first time that I've lost 5 digits since I've known this group of friends. When Lowe's reported their earnings about 2 quarters ago, this was around July or August, my account went down significantly, went down well over $15,000. And I showed up at class that evening and I didn't tell anyone what had happened. I was really disappointed on the inside, but I held strong. I held all the options that I was holding on to, and I ended up turning it from a $15,000 loss to a $3,000 gain. And that is absolutely what I am planning on doing. I did not sell anything at all over the last couple days. And in fact, like I said, I did buy a boatload of Baidu because I absolutely believe in the company and the power that it has to earn money. So the only way to actually lose money is by selling at a loss, or in the case of options, it expiring worthless. And that's why I don't recommend options to new investors. But so I'm not going to ruin any relationships. I am not going to commit suicide over losing $10,000 or $50,000 or $60,000 or however much my gains or losses are. It is a big deal to me. It is a lot of money to me, but I have been through this before, and I'm in my 30s. I've been doing this for 14, 15 years now, and I do study the markets. I do enjoy trading. I do enjoy studying. I am a very mathematical person. I enjoy reading charts. I enjoy statistics. I enjoy word problems. I enjoy computer problems. So I can handle myself. It sucks with that feeling that you're going to lose $50,000, but I did put myself in a position to overcome this, and I absolutely did not put my family in a position to lose money. Every one of my friends and family is in a position to make a lot of money based on my advice, because all they do is buy stocks and collect dividends and wait. So thanks for listening. I hope this video was a little bit more upbeat. I had to redeem myself a little bit. I will put this on YouTube. I probably won't advertise this video. I'll just put it out there for my subscribers and everything. And this is a new channel, so thanks for helping me share. I noticed I've gotten about 70 shares in the last month directly from YouTube, so thank you to you guys. And I have over 170 subscribers now, so that's awesome that, people actually listen to me. I got some of my classmates, some people I know, but there's at least 100 people that I don't even know that have subscribed to my channel, so I am very much appreciative for that, and I hope to continue giving you quality videos, quality advice, and I hope that you have the best of luck making your decisions when you pick stocks to buy and stocks to keep for the long term. So thanks. Have a great night.